Ito na nga yun. Si naman, hindi man lang ako sinabi. Anyway, ang very distinct po dun sa International Assembly is how all speakers will share a Rotary story or a Rotary moment. It is one moment that really moved them as Rotarian. Actually, the International Assembly is one Rotary moment to me na talagang pagkakita ko sa, gaya kay Pipi Glo, because she works with the Global Grant, talagang doon sa International Assembly, na-realize ko lalo kung gaano kagaling at kaganda yung ginagawa ng Rotary. Anyway, ito po yung isang Rotary story that I heard dun sa breakout session naming mga partners. So sa India, if you know India, it's not like Philippines na nawala na yung polio matagal na. I think 1980s pa o 90s. So parang in our memory, yung polio, hindi na natin masyadong maalala. But in India, it only ended in 2014. So just imagine, 2 years ago, ang dami pa talagang mga batang pilay. Ang malungkot, hindi lang naman pa yung tinatamaan ng polio kasi extremities yung pati kamay, ganyan. Anyway, kwento nung isang Rotary partner, during their meeting daw, they were having a regular meeting, apparently family, Rotary of family ito kasi nandun din yung mga spouses. Meron daw dumating na father and child sa Rotary meeting. So yung bata, obviously may polio. Kaya lang, hindi makalakad, tapos mahina rin yung kanyang kamay. So parang gumagapang, pag kumain, parang practically parang animal yung bata. So the father was begging the club to help his child. So syempre, as Rotarians, sino ba naman ang tatanggi doon? Yun yung ating core work, di ba? To eradicate polio in the world and help people with polio. So after a year, lo and behold, the father and child went back to the meeting. So they were having again a meeting and nakakatuwa because the child can already walk, tapos nagagamit niya na ng maayos yung kanyang kamay. Tapos, nung time na yon, the same president was presiding the meeting, maybe culminating activity niya yun or something. Tapos the child ran dun sa harapan ng meeting. So the president thought that the child will embrace the president kasi siya yung siya yung instrumental sa rehabilitation niya. But you know what the child did? She ran to the stage and she went to the Rotary flag and kissed it. He kissed the Rotary flag. That's how strong the impact of Rotary is to that small child. So nung narinig ko, talagang kinilabutan ako. Hindi lang siguro natin na-realize because we take it for granted kasi sa Pilipinas, eradicated na ang polio. But in a lot of places in the world, Rotary is really making an impact. And it's a Rotary brand. No? Soon, we will end, and polio will be eradicated in the face of the world, and it's all because of Rotary. So, yun na. Okay.